Christmas market adventure.
Wow, this market is absolutely magical. It feels like we've stepped into a Christmas postcard.
I know, right? The lights, the music, the smell of cinnamon, it's all so festive. Where should we start?
Let's hit the food stalls first. I can smell roasted chestnuts from here.
Oh, me too. Should we share a bag, or do you want your own?
Definitely my own. I'm not good at sharing when it comes to snacks.
Same. Okay. Roasted chestnuts first, and then we can check out those pretzels over there. They're huge.
Good plan. Look, they're selling mulled wine at that stand. Should we grab some to sip while we walk around?
Absolutely. Mulled wine is a must at a Christmas market. Should we get the classic or try the cranberry spiced one?
Cranberry spiced sounds interesting. Let's try that. Oh, and I see a hot chocolate booth next to it. Marshmallows and whipped cream?
You read my mind, but let's pace ourselves. I don't want a sugar crash halfway through the market.
Fair point. Hey, look at that booth. They have the cutest handmade ornaments. Should we pick out one for your tree?
Yes, that snowflake one is beautiful. What about this little Santa with the knitted hat?
Adorable. Let's get both. Do you think they'll personalize them?
I bet they will. Oh, look at that booth with the wreaths and garlands. Should we get one for your door?
That's a great idea. I love this one with the little pine cones and red ribbons. What do you think?
Perfect choice. And it'll smell amazing. Should we check out that stand with the candles next? I heard they're all handmade.
Definitely. I'm running low on candles anyway. Let's find one that smells like Christmas morning.
Here's one: pine, cinnamon, and a hint of vanilla. Smells amazing. Do you think it's too strong?
Not at all. It's perfect. Should we grab two? One for you and one for me?
Great idea. Okay, what's next? Oh, they're selling personalized stockings over there. Should we get matching ones?
Yes, we can get our names embroidered on them. What color are you thinking?
Red and white, classic Christmas vibes. Should we hang them at your place or mine?
Yours. You've got the cozy fireplace to match. Look, they're setting up for a caroling performance over there. Should we stay and watch?
Definitely. Caroling is one of the best parts of Christmas. Should we grab some fudge or toffee to snack on while we listen?
Yes, fudge for sure. Maybe a mix of chocolate and peppermint flavors?
Perfect. This market is so much fun. I feel like we're ticking off everything on the Christmas bucket list.
Same. Should we take some photos before we leave? The lights are so pretty.
Absolutely. Let's take one by the big Christmas tree and another by the gingerbread house display.
Great idea. This is turning into the perfect Christmas adventure. I'm so glad we came.
Me too. Best holiday outing ever.